Now, this could be a very powerful tool when it comes to you wanting to get more sales out of an offer that you've got on, but also reduce that feeling of being spammy or over salesy or anything like that as well, especially if you've had several emails go out. I'm going to explain the situation that I'm in and why I'm going to do what I'm going to do in a minute. So we're going to talk about retargeting emails based on what people have clicked on. So I sent out a promotional email yesterday, which was promoting a 24-hour reduction in prices for my Lead Magnet Magic service. And this went out yesterday. And I obviously, with it being 24 hours, I want to send out another email today that's going to go out and tell me, you've only got a few hours left of this offer and then the offer's gone. But I have also sent out an email today, because obviously this wasn't a planned offer. I have also sent out an email that is my YouTube video today. So I've sent an email out yesterday, an email out this morning about YouTube, and then I'd be sending another one out saying you've got a few hours left. And there is actually nothing wrong with that. But I wanted to see, I want to only message the people who are really interested. And the way to do that is looking at people who have clicked on your email. So we can see I've got 26 people that have actually clicked on my email. So I actually want to send this link to them 26 people, not the whole list. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to go into campaigns. And the best way I always find is to duplicate the offer email just so that you've got some of the wording and the links already in there. So I'm just going to press duplicate and it's going to duplicate this email for me now. So there we can see I've got it and I'm going to click on it. I'm going to give this the name of Lead Magnet Offer, retarget, like that, and then press next. Another good reason you might do this is that you might actually want to get the people who've been clicking the links to get more emails than the people who haven't been as well. So we can see this has got a click to go to the master list, but what we want to do is we want to press create a new segment, and this is going to be the Lead Magnet target offer. So what I'm going to click on here is I'm going to start typing click, and I'm going to use the condition has clicked on a link. And then click campaign for the email. And then the email is going to be, so the email was called Magic Offer. So if I just search, I can't even spell offer right, so that would work. Oh, it's there at the top. It was there. There we go. So this was the email. Where's it gone? Not that one. Very hard to see on my screen. Hang on. I just need to find this email. But I have lots of emails. There we go. So we should be able to, oh, there it was. 20th, yeah, that was yesterday. So selected the email, and now I'm going to select the condition, which is that they clicked the link. So I'm saying retarget this and only send to people who have clicked on the link Lead Magnet Magic. Okay, so I'm going to press done. I'm going to press next. So now what I can do is I can word this email up and change it up as something quite like this. So, hi Laura, or whoever's their first name. I saw you clicked to find out more details about our Lead Magnet Magic service. More than likely due to the 24-hour offer that we sent out yesterday, with all prices being reduced by 50%. I'm going to put a bracket, or it could be that you didn't click the link and silly email clients are telling me you have. Just to add, I always add a bit of humour into mine. I just wanted to let you know that we have had quite a few people take advantage of this offer, and we now only have a few hours remaining. I actually don't know how many hours we've got remaining. I'm just going to click campaigns. So I sent this at 13:44. Okay, so we've got like an hour really, but I'm going to say 2. We have 2 hours remaining on the offer, and we just wanted to remind you of it, just in case it was on the back of your mind. here is what you get as part of the service. All prices are reduced by 15% for 2 more hours only. Need to find out more. Now, I've just remembered one thing I've not taken note of, which I'm just going to click list at the top and go back, just because I haven't excluded the people who've already bought the product. So obviously some people have bought the products. I'm going to click edit here, and what it's going to do is going to load up the email segment again. So here we go. And I'm just going to add another condition, which is tag, and they don't have the tag. Which one is it? When I find it, aren't we? Can't find it. Ah, here we go. Read Magnet Magic. Ready, steady, go. It is. Really does not want me to find this tag, does it? Actually, it might be that one. It will be that one. Okay, so we will do that. And then what we'll do is just press save, and it's just going to update that. If now I go back to my tab at the end, at top, so we was on the design stage. So you design your email, press the cog and change the subject line. Just put, I saw you peaking, and you have 2 hours left. And then I'm going to put that in. Happy days. And then I'm going to press next. And then all that's left for me to do is press send. But one check to do is to check if this looks realistic, which this does. So there was 27 contacts in there, and 2 of them have bought. So it's actually 25 contacts that are remaining. So that looks right. And then I'll press send now. And that's it, job done. But I am going to send myself a test email and just proofread that email before I send it. But otherwise, that's all you actually need to do. And then you've sent a retargeting email out so that you're only targeting the people who actually showed interest by clicking on the link inside your email. And it just makes it so much easier to be able to get it. And it has a really good high conversion, which I will make sure I do let you know how it went. But yeah, that's how you do that. Any questions, let me know. You can do the exact same inside things like MailerLite as well. Any marketing system that you're using will have a feature for segments.